Comedian Kunal Kamra's jokes on Eknath Shinde has sparked a row, and Sena workers have vandalized the venue as well. Shiv Sena workers vandalized a hotel in Mumbai where comedian Kunal Kamra, known for his stand-up shows, was recorded and demanding apology for his remarks on Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Case has been filed over the remarks. Senior Shiv Sena leader threatens to thrash the comedian. Shiv Sena workers vandalized the show venue. Uddhav Sena condemning the attack. Here's what's happening in Mumbai, in Maharashtra.
कुछ पैसे के लिए हमारे ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी कर रहे हैं, हमारे नेता के ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी कर रहे हैं। कुणाल कामरा, अब तुम महाराष्ट्र नहीं, हिंदुस्तान में भी अभी घूम नहीं सकते। हमारे शिवसैनिक है ना, आपको आपकी जगह दिखाएंगे। और संजय राउत यूबीटी वाले, क्या आपकी हालत हुई है? अरे हमें बुरा लग रहा है। हमारे नेता के ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी करने के लिए आपके पास कार्यकर्ता भी नहीं बचे। संजय राउत, अगर आप में हिम्मत है ना, तो आप हमारे ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी करो। ये क्या भाड़ोत्री लोग, आप हमारे ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी करने के लिए पैसा देके आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं।
Joining me for the latest on this, Vidya, what exactly happened? Tell us more and the details that are coming in this case.
Well, what we have gotten to know is that there's this hotel in Khar where this entire incident of, Kunal Kamra conducting a show had come to the fore. And, of course, he made a comment on the Deputy Chief Minister, which the Shiv Sainik did not really like, did not find it of a good taste. And that's one of the reasons why Shiv Sainik ransacked the hotel where this entire incident had happened. Remember, this is also the place where, some time back, the Latent show, if you remember, that India's Got Latent show had been shot. This is also because it's the same building where this entire incident has happened. And also, immediately after the incident, the police got into action. They have promised to take action against those who have ransacked this entire hotel. At this juncture, though, no one has been arrested according to what we have gotten to know.
Vidya, please stay on. We have one more reaction coming in. Let's listen into that as well.
छोटा सा हास्य कलाकार ने हमारे नेता महाराष्ट्र के उप मुख्यमंत्री माननीय एकनाथ राव शिंदे जी के ऊपर नीचे के स्तर पे जाके टीका की है। उसके खिलाफ आज हमने अंधेरी पूर्व के MIDC पुलिस स्टेशन में FIR दर्ज किया है और DCP साहब हो, ACP साहब, सीनियर साहब, सबसे हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि इसके ऊपर जल्द से जल्द कार्रवाई हो। और मैं आपके माध्यम से उसको मैसेज देना चाहता हूं कि आने वाले 2 दिन में माननीय शिंदे साहब की माफ़ी मांगे, नहीं तो मुंबई का शिव सैनिक उसको जहां रास्ते पे दिखेगा उसको मुंह पे काला पोंछेगा। तो इतने बड़े नेता के बारे में जो बोला है वो अपनी प्रसिद्धि के लिए बोला है। कल हम शिवसेना के सभी आमदार इसके ऊपर माननीय गृह मंत्री से मिलने वाले हैं और उसके ऊपर जल्द से जल्द कार्यवाही की मांग करने वाले हैं।
All right, so this is what is happening. This is the situation. We are told that deployment has happened there on the ground as well. Vidya joins me for the latest on this. Vidya, so I believe I can see that the visuals of perhaps heightened deployment on this. Any word from Kunal Kamra yet? And clearly law and order and heightened tensions and tempers, a big highlight these days in Maharashtra.
Of course, though this is not the first time, any moment we have seen, there have been instances where Shiv Sainiks have ransacked hotels, offices, or, if there's been a comment that they find not to be in good taste against their own leader. So this is one of the in the series where we have seen that entire hotel where this entire shoot of Kunal Kamra's show was happening, that was ransacked. And as of now, though Kunal Kamra has not yet reacted, but Shiv Sainiks, we have seen Sanjay Nirupam put out a tweet saying that at around 11 he'll be speaking against it, and as he says, Kunal Kamra will be, he'll speak a lot about him. So, of course, the Shiv Sainik's not taking it down. They will be speaking against Kamra further. As we have seen earlier also, they do not let it go for many days until, the police makes any arrest or anything like that. So this, of course, is not going to settle down soon, and we will be seeing much activity happening around this incident.
All right, Vidya, keep tracking the latest on that. So this is a fresh row, a comment that stand-up comedian, he's been in the controversy on different issues as well. This time over a comment he made on Deputy Chief Minister, and has led to the vandalism at the venue where he used to perform.